How do I replace the carbon filter in my extractor hood? If your extractor hood uses a recirculation kit, the carbon filter will need to be changed periodically. The frequency depends on how often the hood is used, but on average, check it every 6 months. Carefully remove the outer cover to access the filter. You will see 2 small screws which hold the cover in position. Lift the cover carefully away from the screws. The carbon filter can then be easily removed. If it is coated in grease, it will need replacing with a new one. Please always use original filters. Slide the new filter into position as shown. Then replace the cover over the screws which hold it in position. Finally, ensure the cover engages and is securely held in place by the screws. Please check and follow these steps. If you need further information, please refer to the instruction manual. To find out more about our cleaning and care products or to arrange an engineer visit, please visit the Bosch Home Appliances website.